Hi, good morning. Welcome to Business. My name is Darryl Kwao. The Registrar General's Department, as part of measures to contain the coronavirus, has urged the general public and clients to make use of their online services. This follows a directive issued by the head of civil services for staff of state institutions to put in place measures to decongest their offices. Here's a report.
Many institutions have taken steps to reduce the number of staff and clients who may come into contact with each other on a daily basis. The move is part of a quest to contain the outbreak of the deadly coronavirus, which has been declared as a global pandemic. Following this, the Registrar General's Department is intensifying the campaign for clients to make use of the online registration system, which has been provided as part of government's digitization program. Speaking to Joy Business, Head of Public Relations at the Registrar General's Department, Constance Adumartechi said the use of the online service has become critical at the moment since the staff strength has been reduced.
Use the online platforms if you have to do renewal or if you have to do new registration. You should use the online platform. The Office of Head of Civil Service on Friday also brought out a directive that we make provision for flexible working arrangements for staff. As a result, we have embarked on a rotational system. So even today, we're working with half of the staff strength. Half of the people are to go home for a week, and then when the other half returns, then the other half resumes.
She also said the Registrar General's Department will be making an improvement on its payment systems to enhance transactions by next month.
Yes, it can be done, even though we are working to improve on the payment system as we have currently. But we are not done yet. We're hoping that by April, when we are moved onto the GOG payment platform for all the service providers, we'll have a more robust payment platform, which will also ease the numbers that throng here.
Would that include Momo or any other payment platform?
Currently, yes, we are taking Momo as part of the online payment platform.
Okay.
But sometimes there are challenges with because it's been run by NITA, sometimes some of the payments do hang, but others too are able to get through. But it's because of those unforeseen challenges that we want to kind of strengthen the payment platform and then have it so that all these difficulties that some other clients do experience may be a thing of the past. Just want to create some level of convenience and comfort for them.
Ebenezer Sabute's report for Joy Business.
Now, Casapreco is one of the companies that has heeded to the calls by President Akufo-Addo to produce hand sanitizers amid the coronavirus outbreak. The beverage manufacturing company says its products will be cheaper than what's on the market. Charles Aite visited the production line and now reports.
This production plant here at Casapreco Limited has been solely reserved for the production of hand sanitizers. Watch closely. These hand sanitizers are not the jelly ones that we do know of, but these are purely liquid hand sanitizers, alcohol-based hand sanitizers. You can see the massive production going on here, and this is to ramp up the shortage that has hit the nation amid the coronavirus outbreak. We have been interacting with the CEO of Casapreco Limited on the reason behind these mass production and, of course, the prospects in terms of how best this could help mitigate the coronavirus outbreak.
Casapreco decided to step in, halt spirits production, and produce hand sanitizers for the market to prove that local manufacturers can step in and support the government fight this virus. As you know, the coronavirus is a national concern, and certainly is going to affect businesses in the short term. But for us, certainly, if it does affect businesses in the long term, it's certainly going to affect our business big time. So for us, we believe that producing hand sanitizers to save the nation now is better than not doing anything at all.
This production line at Casapreco has halted manufacturing of beverages to give way for the mass production of hand sanitizers.
We are producing this with WHO specs. So we put in the alcohol, the peroxide, and gel. Okay. Yeah, I said glycerin. Okay. You know, with this product, when you put in like gel or something, it reduces the life of the antimicrobial properties. That's why we do not put in the gel and the fragrance as well.
The panic buying of hand sanitizers has left a national shortage of the essential products amid the coronavirus pandemic. From pharmacies to retail outlets, these alcohol-based wraps are in high demand, leading to price fixing and profiteering. I caught up with the commercial director of Casapreco Limited in the person of Gerald Bonsu to help us understand how much of a regulation this particular product is going to undertake in the coming days.
We are not looking at the profitability. What we are looking at is to make sure that everybody, every consumer of our product, or everybody that works with that, get onto these hand sanitizers, so that we can fight this virus coming up in this country. Distributors that we deal with, they know the value chain for the hand sanitizer. So we sell to them at a certain price. They are also going to sell at a certain price for them to make a small margin out of it. So whoever they also sell to, they should also ensure that they tell them how to sell every bottle that they sell, so that we don't have people abusing the system by selling at high price to make more money.
With 200,000 bottles of hand sanitizers produced by Casapreco Company Limited, managers are hopeful that this could even help in mitigating the transmission of the Covid-19 through basic hand hygiene, in mitigating the effects of the Covid-19 in the short to medium term. I'm Charles Ayete for Joy Business.
And that's it for business. There's more after this break.